So today we are gathered with one purpose, to love Jesus with everything we are. Not just with our songs, nor not just with our words, but with our hearts, our minds, our strength, and our whole lives. As we come before Him today, we choose to trust Him in all times, in good seasons, even in bad